Hi, I'm Sanjay Khanna, product manager at Brocade. I'm talking to you from Interop 2009 in Vegas. Today I'm going to talk to you about the NetIron MLX. So there are two fundamental trends that we are observing in networks, whether they are service providers or enterprises and data centers. The first trend is the growth in the amount of data. We are observing data is growing in both service providers and enterprise and data centers by approximately 50% every year, thus doubling of the data every 2 years. So this creates a tremendous strain on the network, and the network infrastructure would need to scale with these high requirements. Secondly, there is a trend for reducing the operational cost of the network, and that has multiple sub-trends, related to convergence, about converging voice, video, and data networks into one, about using greener equipment by reducing the footprint and having low power and low cooling requirements to have a better total cost of ownership of any equipment. So the NetIron MLX comes in and satisfies all these requirements. The MLX is the highest port density in the routers in the industry, scaling from 32 ports of 10 gig from the smaller system to 128 ports of 10 gig in the larger systems. The MLX is designed for wire speed performance. All services which offer MLX, whether it's IPv4, IPv6, Layer 2, and MPLS, all are offered at wire speed. This means when customers deploy the MLX, they can be assured that any services which are offered through the MLX will be offered in a non-blocking fashion at full wire speed. The MLX was designed to have very low power and cooling requirements, and this translates into a 30 to 50% OPEX savings for the customers over any of the competing router. The MLX routers are Metro Ethernet Forum certified, so service providers can offer carry Ethernet services to their networks. The MLX supports some of the advanced virtualization features such as multi-VRFs and VLANs, and customers can use the MLX to enable and enhance virtualization in their networks. So the MLX is used by multiple service providers, for example, such as Telstra, Level 3, and City of Milan, to provide business Ethernet services for internet aggregation and for cable MSO deployments. The MLX is also used in large enterprises and data centers such as UC Davis for running MPLS in the backbone, having very high capacity, and to meet the changing needs of enterprises in today's environments.